Hello students, a very healthy good morning to all of you. Here we are, it's our revision class of general knowledge and we are going to revise all the mixed chapters of GK. And hope you all are fit and fine. Beta, maintain all the rules regulations given by your parents also and given by the government also. Then only we will be able to meet in the school. Okay, and school is not looking nice without you all, my dear. I don't enjoy going to school. It looks very bad. So please maintain all the hygienic things and come to school fast. Now I am going to share you the first slide. Fill in the blanks. Okay, a place where bees are kept. I will show you where the bees are kept. Actually, bees make their own home and they collect the honey from the flowers, keep there, and they stay also there. They live in a group, they make their home, and that is called beehive. I am showing you the picture of beehive first. See the picture of beehive. And bees lives here only in beehive. Just like the bird makes their nest by themselves, bees also makes their hive by themselves. But where people keep the bees for the commercial purpose, here the question is where bees are kept. Where people keep the bees for the commercial purpose, it is called apiary. Okay, now next, hoof is found, and this portion of the horse is called hoof. So hoof is found on a horse. This is the correct answer. This portion is called hoof. C. A baby deer is called, and it is called a fawn. Baby cat is called kitten, baby dog is called puppy, and like that only baby deer is called fawn. See, we use dash to store water, and we use bucket. Nowadays we get different types of buckets, matching bucket, mug, metal bucket, plastic bucket, different types of buckets we get, and we store, usually you will see people storing water in the bucket. The young one of fish is, and the young one of fish is, the young one of fish is called fry. See, these are baby fish. And these are called fry. We deposit rubbish in, and where we deposit rubbish? In dustbin. And usually you will see in the home covered dustbin. This type of dustbin you will see in mostly public places. In one side is wet garbage you have to put, and one side you have to put dry garbage, so that it should be easy for the people who are collecting the garbage to dump for them. And wherever we are, beta, either in a school, at home, or railway station, everywhere dustbin is available, and we should cultivate the habit to keep our society, our surroundings clean. We will have to cultivate the habit of putting all the garbage in the dustbin. Otherwise, if your mother will only try to keep your home clean, it can't. Now, the stupa of Sanchi is a famous Buddhist complex. Stupa of Sanchi is a famous Buddhist complex, and it is situated on the hilltop in Madhya Pradesh. And mostly Buddhist people gather there for their meeting, for their cultural activities, and for their celebration. And this is the picture of Stupa of Sanchi. See. This is the picture of Stupa of Sanchi. The Konark Sun Temple is famous for, and if you will see the picture of Konark Sun Temple, my dear, whole building, it is made up of stone, and in stone only it is carved, so it is famous for stone carving. And it is dedicated to sun god, and in that you will see the holy symbols also. It is just made just like a chariot, and the in stone carved wheels are also made there, and it looks just like a shape of a chariot. And there are wheels also, 24 wheels made in the stupa of Sanchi, and that wheels are also carved in the stone. Das built the Jama Masjid, and as already I have explained you, in Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan is known as the best architect in the Mughal Empire, and he has built most of the buildings like Taj Mahal, Jama Masjid, Red Fort. So Das built the Jama Masjid, and Shah Jahan and where is Jama Masjid built? Jama Masjid is built in Delhi, and it is mostly used as the communal prayer, especially on Friday, that is called in Muslim Jummah. People gather there to offer the prayer together, and in this way they keep themselves united. Just I told that together we are more happy, together we want to live, to study, to play, and we achieve more. Like that only this Jama Masjid is made for the communal prayer, so that all of them should gather at least once in a week to offer the prayer. Next is Das is the Chief Minister of Bihar, and all of you know Mr. Nitish Kumar. Mr. Nitish Kumar. Mr. Nitish Kumar is the present Chief Minister of Bihar, and there are two Vice Chief Minister also, my dear. Deputy Chief Minister, we can say. Two Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. One is Tarkishore Prasad, and the another is Renu Devi. And Renu Devi is the first female Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. So you all will learn all these questions with spelling. Okay? And then you will do it in your copy in very good handwriting. Hope you all will maintain all the prevention precaution to keep yourself safe and do your work very nicely, my dear. And soon we hope to meet you in the school, because this school doesn't look nice without you all. Thank you, children.